You've probably been wanting to ask as to who would win between Chainsaw Man and Tanjiro Kamado, the Demon Slayer. Since Denji, the Chainsaw Man, is technically a demon, you've surely seen both of them in action. And while Denji, the Chainsaw Man, embodies brute force and chaotic power, relying on his chainsaw abilities to slice through enemies with reckless abandon. In contrast, Tanjiro brings a more calculated approach to battle, employing his remarkable swordsmanship and water-breathing techniques to outmaneuver demons with grace and strategy. Despite this tactical edge, the unpredictable nature of their fighting styles adds complexity to the rivalry. While Denji's raw strength can overpower foes, Tanjiro's agility and endurance make him a formidable contender. As they clash, their contrasting skills create a spectacle of chaos and finesse, leaving audiences on the edge of their seats, eager to see who will ultimately emerge victorious.